Hello guys, and welcome to another David Zimaleta. In today's video, I want to show you my new shop that I just ordered. Check out my new shop. Come take a look. So first of all, you're probably wondering what size it is, and I know some of you might be thinking this is not a shop. Well, this is my dream shop. I've been looking at this for the past 4 years, thinking, when can I really get this? So what you're looking at is exactly what I ordered. This here is 44 by 31 deep. Really sorry about that noise, guys. So it is basically kind of like a big carport with a huge 14-foot section in the middle. I think these might be 12. I'm really not sure, and I think those might be 8. But boy, they are so much bigger when you actually stand in there. So let's take a closer look. And I'm sure you're wondering about the price. I'm gonna also tell you the price. So take a look at this. Now, I'm standing kind of like facing it right there. And as you could see, there's still quite a bit of roof, even in this first type of section. By the way, guys, when I extend my hand all the way, this is as much as I reach. So that looks like another couple feet, and I'm like 5'8.5", so probably 8 to 9 feet posts over here on the sides. And these might be like 12 or 13, really not sure. But this is a really good size here because, as you could see, this is tire tracks. I actually drove my Sprinter inside over here, and there's plenty of room to drive like a Sprinter in and just work. I could even have some shelving without it basically interfering with anything. And it being 31 foot deep, like I could definitely put a Sprinter inside and still have, like, you know, toolboxes towards the end and stuff like that. So anyways, you might be wondering, when am I going to get it? So, and how first of all, looking at the carport itself, I paid $10,700. That is with taxes. That is including installation. Basically, for what you see, the only thing is I told them basically not to add is those, you know, like red things. So just to save another $1,000 because it would have been $1,000 more. Well, I ordered this 2 weeks ago, and I just came today, and I just spoke to the guy that actually ordered for me, and he says to me, you know, hello and stuff like that, and you know, he recognized me. And then I said, I hope you gave me a good deal because this was a really hasty decision because I just came in and paid for it. And he says, if it makes you feel any better, the prices just went up 20%. So today, and he showed me the paperwork. So I'm kind of glad now that I ordered it because this is going to be 44 by 31. This is kind of big. Plus it's going to have 3 garage doors. So what's included? Well, basically just the structure. They're going to come in and basically build it. It's going to take about 5 months to 6 months for it to actually be made in China, I guess, and then brought over. And then the company's going to assemble this whole... Basically, before, you know, they assemble it, I need to basically figure out if I'm going to just have ground like this or put some concrete. I do have some money for the concrete, so that's what I'm going to have to work on. For everything else, I don't have the money for yet. Like, I need garage doors. I will need more steel like this to go around. So what I'm actually doing right now, I actually service Sprinters for my YouTube viewers. If you guys want to support my shop, feel free to stop by, and I'm going to service a Sprinter for you. I am super excited about this, especially that I don't have to get a loan for it. You know, I just basically, you know, paid for this. It's going to be a roof over my head. Guys, for the past 6 years, well, my channel is going on 6 years now, I've been basically working with no roof, you know. So it's been raining. I've been working on a regular type of ground, you know, like there was not a lot of amenities and stuff like that. Not only that, for the past 14 years where I was owning Sprinters, I was working outside, sometimes on the side of the road, sometimes at a truck stop, sometimes a Walmart parking lot, you know, parts parking lot, and at home parking lot. So this is actually going to be a huge upgrade. So I want to tell you some ideas for this. So obviously I'm going to be buying myself a lift. So I'm going to have a lift in the middle there to lift Sprinters. I think for the sides, I'm not going to have lifts, at least for now. I'm not even sure if one will fit. But there's a good possibility I'm going to buy some kind of lift that you drive on, like, you know, and then it kind of like lifts up a little bit for like, I guess, like oil changes and whatnot, you know, that kind of stuff. I'm also going to consider kind of like a 4-post lift. I could probably put one up just, you know, for storing some cars and, you know, that kind of stuff, because I will have projects, and I think that's going to be like a good idea. So if I want to work on a project, let's say like in one section, probably I would choose this right section. I don't know why, but for some reason I want to say right section. Put like a 4-post lift here, work on a project, and when I'm kind of like not working on it, lift it all the way up and drive my other car underneath here, so I could actually store it under the roof. Then get my car out of there, lower my project down, and basically just work on it. But over here, like in this bay, I'm obviously going to be servicing sprinters and stuff like that, and small one, I'm going to be servicing some of my smaller type of cars. Guys, I am super excited. Are you excited? If you are, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and also let me know if I overpaid, because I kind of feel that I probably did for this, but at the same time, I'm thinking, gosh, like, you know, for that price to have a roof over my head, that's not so bad, because putting in like metal and stuff like that, that's not going to be that hard. I could just call the company, have them cut exact sections. Well, 31 is probably kind of deep. Maybe I could just have it ordered by like a truck or something. See is if this is a complete piece. So for now, like looking at it, it seems like this is a complete piece. I know I already contacted a company and they said they could actually cut it exactly the length I want. So all I gotta do is just order some of these panels, and they're gonna cut them and put them up. And I'm obviously gonna have to add some more posts over here and stuff like that, and basically, you know, put some in the back. But anyways, guys, this is really exciting times. Guys, in case you are interested, this is what the top of the roof looks like, in case maybe you're thinking about building something like this yourself. This doesn't seem complicated. A lot of this stuff is just like tubes and basically steel. Like I could literally just like make all the stuff and build it. And also the solution, I have commercial zone property, which is actually zone rural business, and because of that I cannot build it myself because I'm not a licensed contractor. So I need a licensed contractor in order to do this for me. So I kind of have like no choice but to actually pay somebody to do this for me. It took me 4 years to get this far because I have a lot of stuff going on. But anyways, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Super excited, as you can see. Let me know if you're excited for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.